He might, but I don't. How much damage can he really do? He could probably make me bleed, but I'm
Well, I
not.
don't know. It's got a lot bigger beak than that bird.
Yeah.
You had.
It's been pretty nice.
All it takes a pet for his lunch is just treat him.
Right.
You feed
Well,
it,
one
you can
little
pet
boy
it.
had
Sorry.
on some orange shoes, and he hopped down. He went out. I think it was that color that
Checking out the
attracted
shoes?
him. Yeah, I think it was the color.
You want some water or something, buddy? Hey, you can't answer me, can you? I don't know. Pour it in my hand and see if I drink out of it.
Over there, it probably was really good water.
Yeah.
It'd probably like some proteins, some crickets or something.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
They eat worms.
Yeah, some worms.
Worms, yeah.
Oh, weird. Black. Wait, my book is
Took y'all so long.
We had to go back. I forgot my phone.
2 times.
My phone's
So we just got out of the neighborhood.
You have to go
And then
back.
check this out. We had to go back again. We got out of the neighborhood. Had to go back to the phone. And then we got out of the neighborhood and we couldn't remember if we shut the garage. And
No,
we're like,
you
oh, we gotta go
lost.
shut the garage because the doors are.
I'm gonna put you down, baby. I'm gonna go on my phone. I'm
I remember.
gonna put you down.
You
Okay?
start walking.
The bird is better than the party.
I know. He's
Yeah.
cool, isn't he?
I prefer
oh, black.
the petting than this part.
Probably fly on my butt. I'll be like, pretty good.
Whoa.
Oh, you okay?
Those wings are.
It's almost like he's hurt or something, too. It's weird. Can you fly okay, buddy?
Can it fly?
Yeah, you know, why isn't it flying?
Yeah.
Wait, I think this will get it to fly.
Hi. Can I pet you?
You're like, whoa.
Can I? Thank you. Yeah, no. Did you say no?
Oh, yeah, they